So guys, if you are also facing this kind of problem in your computer, then watch this video carefully. We will also learn how to solve this problem and why this problem occurs in our computer system. So as soon as we turn on the power of our computer, we see this kind of problem on our computer screen. If you want to install a new window by seeing this problem in your computer, then you will not be able to install the window there. Because this problem is seen by the damage of our computer's hard disk and SATA cable. If the SATA cable is not properly connected to the hard disk, we still see this kind of problem. So that's why your computer is neither on nor is the new window installed in it. So to solve this problem, first of all you have to disconnect your computer system from the electricity. So after disconnecting your CPU from the power cable, you have to take a screwdriver and open the upper part of the CPU and separate it. So as you can see, this is my CPU. I have opened its screw, so now I am going to remove the upper part or its cover. So after opening the CPU, first of all you have to clean its dust. So I am using this brush to clean its part. If you don't have such a brush, you can use a toothbrush here. So if you have dust in your computer, then only clean it or don't do it. After that you have to find your hard disk. The hard disk looks like this. So there are two types of cables connected in the hard disk. First for power supply and second to transfer data. So you have to separate the connectors of these two cables. So here is our SATA cable and this is the power cable. So first of all we are disconnecting the SATA cable here. If you are doing this for the first time, then you have to do it very carefully and remove the connector easily. And in the same way, you have to remove the power cable connectors. And then you have to clean both pins of the hard disk with the help of a rubber. After rubbing, blow and remove the dust here. After that you have to pay attention to where this SATA cable is attached to the computer motherboard. As you can see here, it is visible in my motherboard and you have to remove it from here. And the motherboard connectors have to be cleaned well and then the SATA cable has to be installed. So while installing the cable, you have to make sure that you have to sit it straight. If you put it in the wrong direction, then it will not fit properly. And then this cable has to be connected to the hard disk. And then you have to put the wire of its other connector. And now you have to give power to your CPU. You have to put the power cable in the CPU. And then you have to turn on its power. If your computer's power is successfully turned on, then it is fine. If you are still facing this problem, then there is a problem with your SATA cable. Either your SATA cable is broken or your hard disk is damaged. So this problem is mostly due to the fact that the hard disk is damaged. If you put a new hard disk in it and turn on the power again, then your system will be successfully turned on. So now you have to put a new hard disk in your computer. So at the moment, the best SSD is available. If you want, you can remove the hard disk and install the SSD. Because after that, your computer's speed becomes very fast. That's all for today. See you in the next video.